When you get higher up on the container, you can do it like every third of the way. You don't have to do it every single spot. Just make you a thing, put it in place, turn it over, put more glue, because once it gets up there, it's going to stay better. Now when you get on up to the top, you'll have to go back to just about all the way around. Alright, I'll bring you back when I'm at the top. Okay guys, I am getting near the top. Here is my bee's nest so far. I am going to work on putting this lid right there on top with some hot glue so I can go on to the top. So, wish me luck. Well, that worked. I was trying to figure out how I was going to do the top. Alright, so I'm going to finish putting the stuff on all the way to the top, and I'll be back in a little bit. Alright guys, I am back, and look at my beehive. Now I'm going to put me some rope around the side and a black piece of felt, maybe. Let me see what I got. What I found to work with is some black cardstock. I've made my string the size of the outside of a pill bottle lid. And I'm going to cut this out and glue it on, and then glue that rope around it. And then my beehive will be completed. There we go. Now, let's see, where is the, I think right here would be good. Right there. Put this on. And now, we will put the circle on. Bring it together. Put your little tiny bit of glue on the end of your pieces. These together good. Alright, there's my bee's nest.